Hello mga katuhog! Welcome to my channel ulit. And ito po ang iyong lingkod, Charmaine. Last time we talked about single crochet and we made a square coaster, diba? So, ngayong araw, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano gumawa ng half double crochet. So, bakit half double crochet ito? Ito ay half lang ng double crochet. Malalaman nyo yan kung bakit when we get to double crochet. So, let's get our hook. I'm going to use 2.5 millimeter hook. No, I'm going to use a smaller hook. So, I hope you're doing good today. And I hope ngayong araw hindi kayo nakalimat sa ating mailikha na magpasalamat sa lahat-lahat. So, I'm going to use Canon mirrors. Ito po yung favorite kong kulay. And ito tricolor na Canon mirrors. I think Monaco has one as well. So, you can check out the stores if you like triple colors or monocolored mirrors. Going to use 2.0 millimeter hook or 20. So let's make a loop. Ganyan. Alright, so we have our loop. Just making sure na nakikita ito sa video. Yan, nag-roll na yung niya. Okay, so let's make a chain of 15. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so we now have 15 chains. Ayan. So, for the height ng half double crochet, kailangan po natin mag-chain ng 2. So, always do a chain of 2 on the start of every row para sa half double crochet. So, we're going to chain 2, 1, 2, and then yarn over and insert your hook. Third chain from your hook. So, teka. And this is 1, 2, 3. Tama ba? 1, 2, 3. Ito. Third chain. Ayan. So, just yarn over, pull through, and then, diba sa single crochet, meron tayong 3 loop sa ating hook. So, dalawa, sorry. Sa single crochet, meron tayong 2 strands sa ating hook. For this half double crochet, 3 naman yung strands. And this time, we're going to yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. So, that's 1. Then, we'll make another one. I'm going to yarn over. Insert your hook on the next chain. Yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Ayan. Then, yarn over ulit. Go to the next chain. Yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. So, ganyan lang yan. Okay, so, we'll keep on doing this until the end of the chains. So, bibilisan ko na po. Ay, teka. Going to show it to you one more time. Okay. So yarn over, insert your hook on the next chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, and pull through all 3 loops. Okay. So, bibilisan ko na to para nakarating tayo sa dulo ng ating chain. And then, we'll do another row. Okay. So, nakagawa na ba kayo ng project? I hope nagawa nyo yung square coaster using single crochet. But if you haven't, I added a description on the video for another project na pwede sa single crochet, which is the crochet bow tie of Miss Abigail Tanaka. So you could check her video out if you want to make projects using bow tie, and my video for making a square coaster. After this, I'm going to teach you how to make a round coaster, and then for the next stitch, I'm going to think of another project. Okay, so ayan, do we have 15? Count natin. Teka. Okay, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we have 15. Ganda ng kulay, diba? From dark green going to parang yellow siya. And then going naging white or lime green. Okay, so to start another row, we'll need to do 2 chains. That's 1, 2. By the way, hindi ako gumamit ng stitch markers for this one. So remember, pag baguhan ka pa lang, you need to put stitch markers. So kailangan nyo maglagay ng stitch marker dito. And then, when we do the turn, we'll need to do another stitch marker. Okay, we'll turn our work dito sa first na half double crochet. So, I'll make another half double crochet on the first hole. Make sure to get all 2 loops sa taas. Ayan. So, dito natin. Kasi, switch na ako sa pen hold. Okay. Balik sa knife. Ayan. So, ganyan lang yan. Just make a half double crochet on each stitch until the end of the row. Okay. So, tatapusin ko lang to. Yan, para makita nyo yung result ng ginawa ko. And then, I'll end this video. If you have any questions, may mga katanungan kayo, don't hesitate to message me. Send me a message. Kasi, I'm online most of the time. Pag hindi ako online, just send a message. Pag nag-online ako, magre-reply din ako. So, yan lang. And then, of course, as a reminder, when you're watching videos on YouTube, po panood ng mga advertisement o patalastas. Tulong nyo lang po sa mga gumagawa ng mga tutorial videos sa crochet. Diba? So, I'm on the last one. I'm looking at the top. May isa pa. Okay, so let's do a half double crochet dyan sa last one. Okay. Ayan. So, I have the half double crochet na 2 rows. Ganyan yung kalalabasan niya. So, alright, I'll see you on the next video for another project. Okay? So, that's it mga katuhog mga sis. Maraming salamat sa panonood.